Odofo me bo me nsama o de ntini say wa yade say wa sode na wo do afidie ato Adom TV any Apostle Dr. Anita Koto ye beto na montuo e Nkuranhyensem ho enye nhirama ho ofie so no monten so enyo adwobre obusua ento yie enko yie die mu wadwuma ware no sikasam ye die ne bedware wo enne so ye hyehyɛbre. And I've come with something. Live fully in the moment. Live fully. And that day a crowd. Now, as someone here me sorry here, me kind Bible say, this is the day I have made. Rejoice and be glad. And me there, as someone me there. And then a dama yama we could fit on me need to go take away. Moaninyi na dia will see when rejoice and be glad. I say when I make a chair, how can I rejoice? And how can I be glad? Maybe some who say, when you was some say, why another day I'm a say, and in year will say, now then I may have made dear will see. I said, Mammy, you're free and right, I'm a fair mono. I said, me, obedient, I am the channel. It is a media, dear Trama Kuma Mune. I said, me two and right, actually. Now me turn and say, and ne. Dear na mede mani beto so a meyo a ene be wie ayepa asina nra. Focus and discipline are the two main things. I need to have the discipline of a military man. I say me hihye ma brabo say osere ni amegina okwan no emfa ho ne me fa mu nra emfa ho ne ye ka kire me nra emfa ho de ye me nra majamu majai the past say nra de me dimu a ebe ha me simple bi wo nra mu ameya me suan ade wa fi nra mu dina me yo ya sinto bae a enko babio na me nka dia wo de ka kire me se empo me driver wo hia me kwamu a wo ye me wasem a me da chao fakọ wona wo bo hu dua se wo hia pere mu ti se me awtwa no enti nyama asem na wo kan ye nyama asem da de yo me de o me say de na me ye ne na me nya hoto and your friend say this is the day I have made, rejoice and be glad in it. What can you do today? What ways are you going to think about today for you to be rejoiceful, and to be glad? There are thoughts you would think that will make you sad. Don't entertain them in your mind. Adwimi wo a obetwa go adwimi pro so na day. Ena na no Ghana edin ena we say jai say wo ye omama ohine e wo Ghana nyina and think about you. Focus on yourself. There are times you need to focus on you. What am I doing today to make me glad? What am I doing today to let me rejoice? Oh no, you know, what am I doing today to let my wife rejoice? What am I doing today to make my husband rejoice and be glad, and my children? That's your focus. And then when you know, and then they cry, well, make sure you are living today at your best. Satara Basha, Satara Fe, if I'm to say, Bro, Yamra Basha. Oh no, say, we dear so, said they be fata one. What I say? Na Pesubaya, I mean, no, Miss Kameba. Wow, no. Na Pesubania, Ubenya, a bebwa war. And then they ne crammy. Onyamisi minia will see, na mamma any woman. And your man ben, I may catch them home I've been proso. I be mamma dear will see, if any positive affirmation. And I be also there. Unim ready, Nemo Koto, Nabom Pie, we are. Young Shady Nakacha will say, ah, me sufferta. Me your mamma. And then me see ye dear counsel. And then Adom ne Adom me. And then a shan ebe jaremie. And then empo onyame de me fa kwampa so a me wie na day. Speak positively about your life. Don't say, hey, and then so sorry, a bad you, a free akwadwuma mu, hey, traffic, hey. Don't start your day with anxiety. Start your day with words that will create joy and gladness in your heart. Ah, me kwadwuma ko shia santoa. A bad dekeke. Because shia empo frank, a bad fekeke. Because shia a jampedu, a bad pemu keke. I'll be glad even for the people I'm going to meet in my life. wa sa na parwa hwe yire nim oba ba ma ware ni me fi akopempna e ma wo de ne nkoyie de ekura wo ne de ma wone nso na kasempa e fa de ekura wo ne ho na pe nkenya be kenya wo na pe nyansa be bubra ne dai. This is the day the Lord has made for you. Do things that will make you rejoice and be glad. You can say rejoice in free room, if in the if you are juniper, any empo susiepa, any subemu. So you make us say be glad. Gladness no, and you should better go abroad. So gladness comes as a result of the way you are thinking. A glad day comes as a result of the things you'll be doing. So do things that will make your day glad at the end of the day. Do your best. What I say, what to idea, but when being so now, only your customers answer the beer of a tradia, mammy with them, Meconoa, maybe a home poor, my mystery, Mecotadia, one. Papa with the Mishana, Oceana Chroma, as a lamentations, a children and him. Now, which good morning, cry, a good man, and enemy a bad morning. Good morning, and you're good. Namasi dear, and Kawanokakra, Lobi shower, or the city shower. Ma we diemu every and yapa if a positive energy now watching 1 year once will be a ben. In life your thoughts can engineer positive vibrations or negative vibrations. Choose to attract positivity by being positive yourself. What I say adwina wodwene no ma endimu me sefata and say me Paul me people asem no em say Philippians 4:8 or say near dimu, dear Safata, dear Ejina or Dosso, dear Mucha, send your way me bobo whatever things are pure, whatever things are lovely, whatever things are just, whatever things are of good reports, think about these things. Oh no, Paul, or a psychologist too, and your man would you know, and they Kenya one nano. And Juma may and try a cat with them young Kameko. Whether you know about sound to me, Jumano or Baba Macofani or by her name, one no. Ma and Niji and Yano Brabo and a pa. Now, a Viana bear fe, I had de. Ma and Sempa and Nkuranhyensem. Yano was subino or Brabo, Adrimu. Now, what done so best, as you think, so shall your day be. And think best thoughts, think excellent thoughts. And think discipline and focus on today. And then brabo bi abebo. She say and a pebia so wa asrekere ho. Uni abonti obi nka se be wa bodam. Peside bi na sere. Me hwe o sere ba me hwe. O sere unti me sere. Wa hono. Peside bi na sere ne dey. Na ebe Kenya nsuo bi omu a ebe Kenya we de na ye di adware wo. Uso na pe wamuna ena Ghana edion ena bayire krabo edion ena ntos efa ho ban adi na koye fo ni bia hwe jaise obosobo ebobo na pese de bisire wo sire ababo no bebuke umuna so bebuke menna a wo me atumifo bi o se kofie wo de ani je agi ayere ma ho ena wo de abufo so koji ayere ma ho na awie ye no be kire ni abenya wo de ani je agi a ujina nije so di bubrapa na ode abufo so gia na nkwama wanhwa ye mfa ma obiom enti pe nije penyansa pe wodo pe sede na nhwe afromu ma na ene de yaya ma osem onenye ene na eda ma wo enu atwamukọ okira nya mae de kura wo ye ne entuma ekura wo ye ne pamatade e be fata o ne de afa hye on de kura wo ye ne if you no pay ya kusuba no nsia bebo ena mpo no ndu bebo anadwo no na odu abrabo aye bibi na wa kan sempa bi akire obi frobi na bi se na se na kan sempa bi kire no na ye ni ye pa bi kire obi na abrabo be dimu na aso ani na mpo ade achi a de ya ne no e be hye wo kina ama wo. What you do today will determine your tomorrow. Onyame nhira wate onyame kan wate onyame mie ne friends bi wosoro na ne nyansa ennokro wadwene na tona montio papa a wodoni enije wom aha na meja wo mama me na hema asanto ase ena eja we be kampedu ase when na production team ekura me na mpoming math sound Frank and Osmosis camera Christopher and a Prince and a lighting and obi a boy adwumadi ba me nche MC afo nyina me da manse wo a onya mrehwe me de me ja hara me ka se woni onyame entina makrao